Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to embed Matplotlib Figure in Tkinter. If you haven't installed Matplotlib, please install it. Okay, to install it, just simply go to the command prompt and simply type it install Matplotlib, then it will install. Okay, I already installed it, so it show me requirement already satisfied. After install it, go to the top and we need to import some class. Okay, before importing some class, okay, if you haven't learned Matplotlib, please learn it. It is a very important library for the data visualization. If you want your career in data analysis or machine learning, then the Matplotlib is the very important library. So learn it. Okay, let's move on from matplotlib dot backend dot backend underscore tkagg. Okay, import okay, everything same. Okay, figure canvas tkagg and navigation. Okay, toolbar to tk, and we need to import figure also from matplotlib.figure. Import figure. Let's create a method where canvas it should be underscore, not hyphen, and self dot figure. Okay, you can give a fixed size. Okay, from here, okay, just by doing this. Okay, if you know Matplotlib, then you understand this. Okay, self dot in this video I will show you how to embed pie chart in Matplotlib. So okay, self dot data is a list 50, 60 and 85. Okay, and self dot labels, it's also a list Python, Java, C, C sharp. Okay, four, and let's create a subplot ax1 equal to self dot feed dot date underscore. Basically, its subplot method allows you to plot multiple plots in a single figure. Self dot ax1 dot py, first argument is data, self dot data, and labels self dot labels. Okay, true, and okay, and self dot canvas equal to figure canvas tkagg self dot feed. Okay, and self, okay, and self dot canvas dot draw, and next thing self dot canvas dot get underscore tk users and practice back. Okay, fill equal to both and expand equal to true. Okay, and okay, let's run it and see whether it is working or not. If it's not working, then we will fix the error. That's okay. Okay, Now you can see this is our pie chart. Okay, you can give also a person to 8% to PCT. Okay. Mm, okay. Now if I run this, okay, it's show percent of the data. And okay, you can also add the tool button down here. Okay, let's do this. Self dot toolbar to get navigation and self dot canvas myself and self dot toolbar dot update. And now if I run this, then you can see okay, tool are available here. Okay, if you know Matplotlib, then you are familiar with this tool. Okay, if you want to save the figures, then click here. Okay, in the PNG format, and this change the size and the positions of the figures. Okay, and it's the zoom in, zoom out. Okay, and this is reset the original size. Okay, type matplotlib.org. It's the official website of the Matplotlib. Then okay, you can see the documentation here. You can also learn the Matplotlib from here, and you can also download the documentations in the format of PDF from here. If you want examples, then there are still lots of the examples. Okay, you can also use these examples okay in the Tkinter. Okay, thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. If you have any problem, please kindly comment down below.